I ordered this charging cord off of Amazon, and as you can see, it lights up. I have this one. I haven't even unwrapped because I'm not using it yet. It came as 2. And the other one I did unwrap, and I've been using. That's actually the reason I'm making this video, because you see how it slowly fades to different colors. Like this one's green, it's about to turn blue, and then it's going to turn red, and then back to green and whatever. That one's turning red. That's how it's been all day. See, it's red now. That's how the other one was all day up until a couple hours ago when it started flickering. Of course, it stopped as soon as I started recording. Oh, there it goes. It started doing that a couple hours ago. And, yeah. I noticed the end feels kind of hot. Charging cords usually don't get hot. I mean, at least not after a few hours. And, yeah. Very happy. There was something else that kind of, oh yeah, it's also lit up on the, it's got lights all throughout the cord. It's really cool. I can't even find it. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Anyway, I was kind of disappointed when I plugged it in because on the Amazon page it showed that it was blue lights, and they had like 4 or 5 different pictures, and they were all blue. And I plug it in to find out that it changes colors, which it's kind of distracting. Technically, that's misleading advertising. But the description just says it lights up, and it lights up. The pictures, however, they're all blue, like that. I love blue light, and I was hoping it would be like that. That would be soothing. I don't know, blue light soothes me for some reason. I could sleep better with blue light. And weird, I know. But, yeah. I've got a minute of recording time, so I'm just going to stop recording right now.